I'm at a renewable energy site just outside Halesworth in Suffolk, where we're adding a new 4G connection. And this is because their current connection, which connects point to point, is being discontinued. The company that monitor the solar panels and the wind turbine need to receive constant data from this site for them to be able to make sure that the panels are all working as they should and that there's no faults on the wind turbine. So the current system is running into this router, and we've got a dish which is outside giving us our connection to the internet. So that's our point-to-point dish. Now this service is now being discontinued purely because fibre is now taking over in this area, although not to this particular site. It's no longer viable for the point-to-point broadband systems to continue to operate. So this is our 4G antenna panel. It's a 4G, 5G antenna panel, but we're only receiving 4G here. And we're aiming towards the mast, which is over on that water tower right over there. So this is our 4G plus router connected to the panel outside. This is the original router with the original dish connection. You can see it running in here. So we've actually got this router up and running. It's just not connected to anything yet. This is our old connection. So that we don't need to change all of the IP addressing across the site, we're going to keep all the IP addressing exactly the same. So what that means is that our router needs to mimic the IP address of the incoming dish. So before we connect our new 4G system into the existing system, I'm going to run a speed test on both systems, just so we can have a comparison between the two. It also means that I can send the new speed results to our client so they can see the kind of speeds that we've managed to achieve here on site. Now this system allows us to remotely view the router. We can also do remote speed tests, change passwords, etc. But it also means that we can help our client, should there be a problem on site, we can help them remotely and guide them to get themselves back online.
For more information about our 4G installations, or if you'd like to know more about the services we provide at AR Smart Systems, please visit www.arsmartsystems.co.uk or call the number on screen.